Hi everyone, today I'm here with another video to help you change the filter of a Whirlpool refrigerator. This is the model I have. So at the bottom of the refrigerator I see the filter, and which I going to change because it's been a long time I'm not changing it. Let me see what's inside. Oh, it came out, the cap came out. There's a cap here. You have to hold the filter with this, so you have to screw it, and then I think you have to connect it, and then you have to pull it. You see there's a lot of dirt here. We usually don't use this ice or the water from here, that's why we're not changing it long time, but we feel like we are going to use it, so we have to change the filter before we use it. So I have this number here of this filter. That's the number I search in the Amazon to find the filter. Is 4396841. It has two needle type pipes or connector which goes inside. You can see inside. I don't know if you can see that inside. It's deep down there. You can see like there's a two holes there. Now I'm gonna bring the new one to put it in. Before that, I'm going to clean some of the outer side of the surface. This is the new filter I have with me. It's from Setfill, I think. Water filter. And I hope it's going to work. It has 6 months and 30 gallons of water. And yeah, that's all the facts it has. Here you can see. Let's change the filter. You can see the inside the filter now. There's a two holes. Actually, there's a three holes, and it's going to go inside the new filter, and you have to connect that in order to get the clean water for 6 months. Let's do it. Before we put the new filter, we added the extra thing at the back of the filter, so it will be easier to put it in, or you can do without that also, but since we have this, so we should use it, which is also good to lock in with this lock thing. We have to put two of the holes on side and one is on the other side. Then we have to push it in like this and push it all the way until you hear the sound of the lock. Now it's locked, and we have to check if the water is coming this way. Let me bring a cup. Oh, it's locked. You can see the water is coming. That means the filter is connected well. Thank you so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up and share the video if someone needed. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.